Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to convert Photoshop to PDF. First of all, go to File and click on Save As. Keyboard shortcut is Shift Ctrl S and click on this Format menu and select here PDF. Now click on Save. OK. And from here select None, and here will be Acrobat 5 PDF 1.4, and now click on Save As. Yes. And now here you can see PDF has been converted here. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.